Gai ymestyn llongyfarchiadau gwresog iawn I bob un ohonych chi. Dyma diwrnod arbennig iawn bob blwyddyn pan dyn ni'n cael y cyfle i'ch cyfarchu a'ch llwyddiant fel myfyrwyr o Abertawe. Plis cadwch mewn cysylltiad efo ni. Gadewch I ni wybod am eich llwyddiant ar ôl I chi'n gadael ni yn Abertawe. A pob lwc i'r dyfodol.
Huge congratulations on your academic success from all the staff in English, literature and creative writing. We very much hope you've enjoyed your time in Swansea and that you're ready for life's next big adventure. Congratulations.
Congratulations from the Department of Political and Cultural Studies to our graduating class of 2021. It's been a hell of a year, but we couldn't have been more proud of your achievements this year. We're really interested in what it is you go on to do, and for those of you studying politics and international relations, we look forward to hearing your stories, whether you're a shaper, a team worker, a coordinator, or even a completer finisher, and you know what I'm talking about. So tell us your stories, and congratulations to you all, and all the very best from PCS.
Congratulations, llongyfarchiadau, to our English language and TESOL graduates of 2021. You're an extraordinary cohort and we're so proud of how you completed your degrees during difficult times. Applied linguistics is about making a difference in the world based on what you know about language. We look forward to hearing about how you go out and do just that. Please keep in touch with us. You're an important part of our Swansea story now, and we know that wherever you go and whatever you do, you'll always carry a piece of Swansea in your hearts. Congratulations.
Hello, I'm Janet Goodall and I'm the Programme Director for the BA in Education. I want to congratulate you on all of your accomplishments. Achieving a university degree is always impressive and something to be celebrated, but you've done it under exceptional circumstances, and you faced those circumstances and overcome them. I know I speak for all of my colleagues when I say we're very proud of what you've accomplished and we're very privileged to be part of what you've made.
In Virgil's Aeneid 9, the god Apollo says to Ascanius, the hero's son, Macte noa virtute puer, sic itur ad astra, which roughly translates, well done now, my boy. That's the way to reach the stars. After that, Ascanius takes no more part in the conflict. In similar vein, I'd like to wish you, the graduating class of 2021, Macte virtute, congratulations and well done on completing your studies. On behalf of all of us at Classics, Ancient History and Egyptology. Congratulations.
On behalf of the whole History Department, congratulations. This has been an extraordinarily challenging year, but you've risen to that challenge, you've produced work of which you can be proud, and you've completed your degree. Well done. We're proud of you ourselves. We're also looking forward to finding out what you do next in your life, so please keep in touch.
So, on behalf of the Department of Modern Languages, Translation and Interpreting, I'd just like to congratulate you, our class of 2021, on everything that you've achieved this year. The resilience that you've shown, the camaraderie and support that you've shown, the responsibility for your studies. What you have achieved is quite incredible, and we will always remember you and what you have done. Congratulations.
Hello, I'm Michael Berzalier, and as convener of the history dissertation, I just wanted to congratulate you on completing your degrees. You produced fascinating, highly engaging, and very interesting pieces of research for your dissertations, the biggest piece of work you've produced for your course, and you did so under very challenging circumstances. So well done to you.
Just want to say congratulations to all of our graduates and well done on what has been quite an accomplishment coming through this very challenging year and more. You deserve everyone's congratulations, and I'm sure they're being heaped upon you now. To my War and Society students and to those who did my modules, well, I want to also say thank you for all the hard work. Go out and get it.
I just wanted to take this chance to wish all of our politics and IR graduates a very, very happy graduation. As you can see, I'm celebrating. It's been a challenging year for you all, but I'm really happy for how well you've done.
I'm delighted to be able to congratulate you upon completing your degrees. You've all had to study in exceptionally difficult circumstances, and I've been really impressed by the way you've risen to those challenges. I'd like to wish you all the best for your futures, and I know that many of you will keep in touch with us.
Congratulations to all the students who are graduating in 2021, especially if I've worked with you over the last 3 years as a student or as an academic mentee. Well done on all the hard work, and best of luck as you progress to the next stage in your career.
Shwmai bawb a llongyfarchiadau enfawr I chi gyd, yn arbennig I reini adran y Gymraeg. Wedi groesi blwyddyn mor anodd I chi gyd yn heiddi pob llwyddiant posibl yn y dyfodol. Da iawn chi.
Congratulations.
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 Congratulations, everybody. Well done.
Congratulations.
Hey students, congratulations and good luck.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Congratulations to all the graduates of this year.
Congratulations.
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 Huge congratulations, everyone.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, llongyfarchiadau.
Llongyfarchiadau gwresol.